Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. I'm a mental wellness tutor. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share to support us. In our previous class, we learned different exercise for better emotional wellness. So today, we are going to talk about triggers. We're going to learn about emotional triggers. Now, what is triggers? Trigger as stimuli. It could be a smell, a situation, or even a thought that activates a strong emotional and physical reaction. Now, there are types of triggers, but we are only going to look about two types of triggers. The first one we are going to look at is situational triggers. This is where you find yourself in a sudden argument or you find yourself in a crowded place. The second trigger is rational triggers. That's when somebody talks to you in a certain tone of voice you wouldn't like. You are being criticized, you feel abandoned, or you feel rejected at that point in time. Now, this is how trigger reaction looks like. It looks like sudden anxiety, anger from nowhere, you feel irritated. Okay, so if you find yourself in a certain kind of situation where you feel sudden anger, you panic, or sudden anxiety, you have to ask yourself these questions. What am I feeling? Now you have to go ahead and ask yourself, what happened that I start feeling this way? What did the person say to me? What did that person do? Or what happened that I start feeling this way? You have to also ask yourself, what did I tell myself about what happened? Did I tell myself that I'm angry? This person is disrespecting me. This person is criticizing me. What did I tell myself about what happened? You have to also ask yourself, what am I afraid this situation means about me? Does it mean that if I don't react to these triggers, I'm going to be looked at in a certain type of way? Am I going to be looked like a sim? Am I going to look as though I'm not brave? Am I going to look as if I can't speak for myself? You have to ask yourself these questions. Once you're able to get the answers, then you will know how to react. Then you activate your thinking brain that's going to help you to salvage yourself out of that situation without reacting impulsively to hurt yourself or hurt somebody else. Okay, once you're able to ask yourself this question, once you're able to understand the situation, the next thing is to ask yourself, what do I need? Instead of only asking yourself, how do I get rid of this feeling? Why not ask yourself, what are these emotions trying to tell me? These emotions, are they trying to communicate boundaries? Are they trying to communicate safety? Are they trying to communicate forgiveness? Are they trying to communicate space? Are they trying to communicate time to process? What is it trying to tell me? Once you're able to understand that and you're able to pick that up, you will know what you need at that particular point in time. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something today, and that has taken us to the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much. In our next class, we'll be talking about the STOP method. Bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe.